Hey, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at lists, and lists allow us to group similar content together. And if we've got two different types of typical lists, so that's the unordered list or the ordered list. And the difference is that the unordered list will just have bullet points, just like we see under skills here. And the ordered list will have numbers 1, 2, 3, and we see that under the favorite animals. There's also another type of lists. There's the description lists. So you won't see these used very often, but you might encounter them. So that's just another way to do lists, and they provide another way to display list content. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at the two ordered lists or unordered lists, and the only difference is between them is the U or the O. So unordered lists have list items that are wrapped within the unordered list. So it's UL, ordered list is OL, and they also have list items. So inside, they're the same, but it's only the parent that's going to be different. So there is an exercise in this lesson, and that's to add the H2 title to the list and list out some of your skills in an unordered list and your favorite animals in an ordered list. So from 1 to 3, and then all of your skills. So you can pause the video and do that within your editor, and I'll walk you through the solution coming up. So I hope you had an opportunity to try out creating a list. And we're going to start with creating a skills list. So just call that skills with the H2. And then within the H2, create an unordered list. So that's indicated with the UL. And then each item that is listed within the list is LI for list item. And you can add as many list items as you want, and they're all listed within the parent. And I'm just going to make a few updates on these so that they are different. And then you can see it on the right-hand side how these get listed. And if you were to change the unordered list to an ordered list, so the UL to an OL, you see that it starts to number it. There are some attributes that you can add to specify the starting number and so on, and the different types of bullets. So those are all available within attributes, and you can also do that within styling when you're applying CSS. So as for unordered or ordered list, again, we're looking at the list items. So we're listing out our 3 favorite animals, and in no particular order for me. So we've got cats, dogs, and let's do horses. And that's it for ordered and unordered list items. And you'll also find that list items are typically as well used in navigation of a lot of websites, because it's a nice way to output the content visually within the code, and then applying styling can turn it into a navigation menu. So that all has to do with styling, and remember, HTML is all about the structure of the code before you're applying the styling.